Hello everybody. Today we will learn geography and our topic is chapter number 4, maps. So let's start. So what are cardinal directions? You may have heard about the directions. So the cardinal directions are north, south, west and east. And intermediate directions are northwest, northeast, southwest and southeast. So how do we know the directions? There is a tool named a compass. To understand this topic of compass, please watch my video of Fun with Magnets of Science. I will provide an end screen at the end of the video. So it helps us to see the directions. So a map is a flat drawing of a large area on a flat surface. So there are many types of maps. A physical map. Map showing natural features of the earth such as mountains, plateaus, plains, rivers, ocean, etc. are called physical or relief maps. So the other name of physical maps, relief maps. So I will show you a physical map of India. So this is the physical map. See the legends. Brown color, the northern mountains. See the mountains. They are in Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh and Kashmir and Ladakh, and in Assam and other states of east. Then the northern plains, the green color, the light green color. So they are in Haryana, Punjab and Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, Jharkhand and Assam. So the Great Indian Desert is in Rajasthan, yellow color, and the Deccan Plateau, flesh tint color. It is in many states: Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, and many more. So it is the largest landform of the India. So the coastal plains are in dark green color. They are in Gujarat and many states with seashores. So, and the islands are here. You can see these are the islands in the circle, blue dots. This is the Lakshadweep and this is the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Okay. So now political maps. Maps showing cities, towns and villages are in different countries and states of the world with their boundaries are called political maps. This is a political map of India. It shows the states and their boundaries and their capitals. And thematic maps. Some maps focus on specific information such as road map or rainfall map. These are called thematic maps. They function on specific function. So this is a rainfall map, annual rainfall. So this is showing rainfall in centimeters. So below up to 4,000 in the dark blue color. See the coasts of the western coast. So like this the rainfall map is there. So there are three components of maps: distance, direction and symbol. Distance. Maps are drawings which reduce the entire world or a part of it to fit on a sheet of paper, or we can say maps are drawn to reduced scales. But this reduction is done very carefully so that the distance between the places is real. It can only be possible when a small distance on a paper represents a large distance on the ground. Therefore, a scale is chosen for this purpose. So as you can see, this is a political map of India. See this. And here is written a scale. As you can see, scale 150 kilometers. 1 centimeter equals to 150 kilometers. This is called a scale. So the scale is the ratio between the actual distance on the ground and the distance shown on the map. For example, the distance between your school and your home is 10 km. If you show this 10 km distance by 2 cm on a map, it means 1 cm on the map will show 5 km on the ground. The scale of your drawing will be 1 cm equals to 5 km. The scale is very important in any map. If you know the scale, you will be able to calculate the distance between any two places on a map. When large areas like continents or countries are to be shown on a paper, then we use a small scale. For example, 5 cm on the map shows 500 km of the ground. It is called small scale map. When a small area like your village or town is to be shown on paper, then we use a large scale. That is 5 cm on the map shows 500 meters only on the ground. It is called a large scale map. So large scale maps give more information than small scale maps. So another component is direction. So most maps contain an arrow marked with the letter N at the upper right hand corner. This arrow shows the north direction. It is called the north line. When you know the north, you can find the other directions. For example, east, west and south. There are 4 major directions. So the third component is the symbol. It is the third important component of a map. It is not possible to draw on a map actual shape and size of different features such as buildings, roads, bridges, trees, railway lines or a well. So they are shown by using certain letters, shades, colors, pictures and line. These symbols give a lot of information in a limited space. With the use of these symbols, maps can be drawn easy and are simple to read. Even if you don't know the language of an area and therefore cannot ask somebody for directions, you can collect information from maps with the help of these symbols. Maps have a universal language that can be understood by all. There is an international agreement regarding the use of these symbols. These are called conventional symbols. Some of the conventional symbols are shown here. So these are the conventional symbols. They are the international symbols. Everyone follows them. So the railway line, broad gauge is shown in a black strip with white dots, and meter gauge is shown as one line and thin lines crossing it, and a railway station is shown as this on a broad gauge and a red rectangle inside a box. So roads are there, roads, metalled and unmetalled. Metalled are straight lines and unmetalled are dotted lines. So now boundaries. Boundaries are international, state and district. First one, the bolder one is international. Next is state and one is district. So river, well, tank, canal, bridge. The river is shown as a blue lane and well is shown as a black dot. And tank is shown as type of lake, or canal is shown as a small black lane cutting a road, and a bridge is shown as this. As you may have seen the sign of a bridge in road signs also. And temple is a flag upon a small house-like structure, and a church is a cross sign on a rectangle, and mosque is a house-like structure with many cross, and chhatri is normal. Post office is PO, Post and Telegraph Office PTO, and police station PS, and settlement is like some brown polygons, and graveyard is like these curves, inverted curves, and trees like ice cream, and grass as grass. So this is a map. There are 3 villages: Vasantpur, Dumri and Sundarpur. Here is a river flowing. So in which direction the river is flowing? Yes, it is flowing in south. It is the normal direction. Upwards is north, downwards is south. This is west and this is east. So Dumri is in west, Sundarpur east, and Vasantpur north. See the railway station, roads and bridge. Bridge is upon a railway line, and there are roads and metal school, a mosque, a temple, a chhatri, and a mosque, and a graveyard, and settlements, and trees, lakes, and tanks. So a sketch. What is a sketch? A sketch is a drawing mainly based on the memory and spot observation and not to scale. Sometimes a rough drawing is required for an area to tell where a particular place is located with respect to their places. Suppose you want to go to your friend's house but you don't know the way. Your friend may make a rough drawing to show the way his house. Such a rough drawing is drawn without scale and called a sketch map. A plan is a drawing of small area on a large scale. A large scale map gives lot of information, but there are certain things which may sometimes want to know. For example, the length and breadth of a room, which cannot be shown in a map at that time. We can refer drawings drawn to scale called a plan. So this was all for today. I will meet you in my next video with another topic. Till then, bye.